All right, so in a previous video, we talked about the make a 10 strategy where they're just trying to make 10. Now, we kind of explored that a little bit more today. Now we're making the next 10. So that's just making the next multiple of 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, to help make our addition easier. So one of our examples that we have is we have 18 plus 4. So we have 1 10, 8 ones. So I'm going to do it with the drawing. So we do quick 10s, quick 1s. So I have 1 10 and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, we make sure to look at the ones place to help us figure out what friend of 10 we need. So I know that 18, I need to get to the next 10, which would be 20. So I know that 8 needs 2 more to get to 10. So I know that 18 will also need 2 more to get to 10. So now I draw my 4 ones that I'm adding to it. So I start by filling in my 10. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So now when I count this, I start with this guy because this is the 10 we just made. So I have 10, 20, and so I write my 20, plus the ones I have left over, which is 2, which is 20 plus 2 is 22. Let me fix that real quick. 22. And I can always check by doing my counting on where I start with 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. I counted up 4 and I still landed on 22, so I know that my answer is correct. Now we can also do it same way with just numbers. So here I have 37, which is 3 10s, 7 1s. So I look at the ones, I have a 7. I need to get to that next 10, so if I'm in the 30s, I need to go up to the 40. So I know that 7 needs 3 more to get to that 10. So I know that I'm going to have to take out 3 to get to the next 10. Now this is a number bond, so we have our whole, part. Our parts go together to make the whole. So 3 plus something gives me 5, so I have 3 plus 2 gives me my 5. Now I can make my next 10. So I put them together. So I know that if I go to the next 10, I'm not in the 30 anymore, I'm now at the 40. So I make sure I go up to the 40. And then there's 2 left over. So I have my plus 2. And if I check my work, 40 plus 2 gives me 42. And I can use my counting on to check it as well to make sure I'm adding correctly. If I have 37, I have 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. I added 5 and I still got the same answer. So both of these are ways that you can show making the next 10. Now, if it's like this, you're still going to want to go for the 2-digit number, even though it's flipped backwards in a way. In addition, it doesn't matter where they are on the side of the plus sign because of the commutative property. We can move it from over here to here or over here to here. We just can't pass the equal sign. So you do this the same way as the others. I hope this was helpful.